Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can add subscribe button watermark to YouTube video. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So let's move to the screen. Firstly, download subscribe button watermark. You can see I have downloaded it firstly. So you can also download it from the Google or Canva. So after that, open the Chrome and YouTube, and then open your channel. And here you will see your YouTube channel profile. So click on it and then click on your channel, and you will see customize channel. Click on it and then click on branding options, and then scroll down the page and you will see video watermark. The watermark will appear on your videos in the right hand corner of the video players. So if you want to add subscribe watermark, so click on upload options. So here select the folder on which you have subscribe watermark. So you can see subscribe watermark. So click on it and open. And then click on done options. So guys, you can see subscribe watermark is added in the video. So you can also select display time, so end of video, customize start, or entire video. So guys, after that you will see publish options, so click on it. So guys, in this way you can add subscribe watermark in your video. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.